You know how it is. It's another Sunday in the summer saga, and the car is up in the air. We're taking the diff out for the 3.9. What's in it right now is a 411, but we're putting a 3.9 for my SC300 in it.
I wouldn't mind a little nice.
Broken all the bolts loose pretty much. I just need to break all of them loose, drop it down, put the other one back in. It's welded already. Did that a long time ago in another video. There's the new fuel filter.
I'm not amazing with things.
But yeah, it'll be like just a couple of seconds, we'll pull it out. She gonna come out now. She gonna come out now.
Keep going?
Yeah, keep going.
She coming out.
She coming out now.
Hey, you're coming out now.
GS300, 411 diff, we believe. SC400 diff, 3.9 ratio. About to put that good in it. We got the 3.9 in the car. Getting the bolts threaded. It's looking promising. If we don't cross thread anything, it'll be a Christmas miracle. Alright, car's back on the ground with the 3.9 back in it. It almost rolled over my ankle because we didn't pull the handbrake back up and it almost crushed me, but it's alright. We got it now, locked in, and now it's done. So we're gonna test it out later. And I'm also fixing the fiberglass that blew up on here. You can see some fucking police caution tape looking shit, and fucking monster took a bite out of my fucking side skirt. I gotta fix that and the rear lip. And then it can be good for the drift event. And I won't break it again, hopefully. First drive with the new diff. Acting the same, that's good.
Yeah. Going from a 424 to a 3.9. This guy fucking flying in here.
Already hearing clunks in the rear.
The welds didn't snap on the first turn at least.
Well, I'm hearing a clunk.
It's a clunk. Like something's loose maybe. I think it feels pretty nice.
It feels about the same.
Yeah.
Low cruising speed, it feels about the same.
I feel like it is definitely lower RPMs than it would usually be.
I'm driving
More wheel speed in each gear.
I'm driving it tomorrow to work, and that's when I'll really know, looking at the RPM, looking at how fast I'm going, I'll be able to really tell. I feel like cruising around at 35, you really can't tell kind of gear ratio differences, but this is still us making sure I can even drive it to work tomorrow.
Yeah, just taking it up the street.
Seems like it's acting about the same. But the only reason why this is even scary is because we've never put another welded diff in the car. We've always just had that one. That's been just good.
Yeah. Ran that one for years.
Yeah, like 2 years I ran that diff. Never really had any problems or anything.
And big brakes putting in work. Felt that shit. Got a semi.
No car though.
Nobody down there, yeah.
I guess they won't need a whole bike right there.
I can hold mine.
It'll be there, I guess.
some good direction.
That's what I really want to do, is that like fishtail in the second, catch it while it's still spinning.
Yeah.
Pipe, keep the rest.